अंकल दिल्ली से है और लक्ष्मी नगर से। ओह दैट्स नाइस। आपकी जो जलेबियाँ हैं हम चाहिए। So guys, we are back again with one more iftari and in the month of Ramadan, but this time it's not going to be in a masjid. We are going to do iftari at one of the biggest hub of iftari in Canada, which is the Ridgeway Plaza. हम लोग इससे पहले भी आए हुए हैं, but due to the weather conditions we had to go back. Although अभी भी बहुत ठंड है, you can see my voice, but the only thing is today we're gonna do it because आज का weather फिर भी better है than the last time. Last time was really chilled. We had to go back. So today we're gonna do the iftari together. Let's explore. I have heard a lot about it on the internet and मैंने कुछ videos भी Instagram पे देखे जहाँ पे the crowd is literally crazy and I have seen like multiple videos. So that's the only thing. When I decided, Imran, we need to come for iftari one day here. You can see the whole plaza is packed. You can see from the back. So let's go together and explore the iftari options here. Let me take you along with me. So let's go without further delay because it's half an hour for iftari. You know what guys, from last 15-20 minutes we are just roaming out and मुझे लगता है
last half an hour
exactly. and मुझे ऐसे लगता है जब लाइफ में ज़्यादा options होते हैं ना, you get confused because यहाँ पे they have hell lot of options and they have Pakistani, Turkish, you know, mixture of all the UAE and everything जो भी ये Islamic countries है, and it's a hub of them. and यहाँ पे तो मैं food से ज़्यादा excited हो रही हूँ. There are some Dubai jewelers and all the things, and one shop that caught me, perfume also, exactly like the oud and everything. Just a quick update guys, can you imagine we are not getting a single restaurant, not even a single restaurant, and पता है क्या reason है? You have to do the reservation. So I don't know what's happening. यहाँ पे कोई भी restaurant खाली नहीं है. Everyone is like flooded with families, like flooded, and I'm so pissed off right now. And मुझे नहीं पता थी यहाँ पे reservations करने होते हैं. Otherwise we could have done that too, but we were not knowing which restaurant is good. So we just had to roam around and then select and then go for it. But every restaurant is completely full and I'm not sure what we're gonna do, and I don't know, I'm clueless about it. Imran is also a little frustrated from inside. So finally guys, after millions and trillions and billions of years, we got one place to sit and eat something.
because of me.
No Imran, but ये restaurant नहीं है, ये एक kind of fast food and you know small eatery place. We cannot call it a restaurant. And we have all the pizzas and shawarmas and some Ramadan box was there. So I was not. Yeah, they gave this.
Nawabs.
Yeah, there is something inside. Ramadan Mubarak. Oh, there is a date inside. At least we got something to break our fast. But anyway, they gave us a water bottle also, which is a good thing. But anyway, we got something, so be thankful. Alhamdulillah, at least kuch to mila. Na hone se better. Always there is something to get. So we're gonna do our fasting here and then we'll explore. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि 2-3 घंटे के बाद नॉर्मल हो जाएगा, है ना, क्योंकि सारे लोग इफ्तारी के लिए आए, राइट. एवरी रेस्टोरेंट इज पैक्ड एंड अब कभी भी हम अंदर गए किसी भी रेस्टोरेंट में, वी आर सेइंग टेबल फॉर 2, वी आर लाइक व्हाट, reservations, we are full for 10 p.m. So let's order the food before it's late. Imran, मैंने order कर लिया and they gave this buzzer. Our order number is 34 and it will take 20 minutes. तब तक खजूर से काम चला लेते हैं, right? चलो, let's go with the खजूर. So finally we got the food. What's inside? देखना है क्या है इसमें? Oh, we got the chicken wings. Okay, what's next? Chicken wings अच्छी लग रही है ना?
Yeah.
Looks good. What's next? This is the box, right?
This is something spicy.
Oh wow, it has roll fries. Oh, it has a brownie as well.
Brownie?
Yeah, a small little brownie. And I think a coleslaw.
Also ready.
And यहाँ पे कुछ है. I don't know, it's kind of a
Garlic
dip.
mayo.
I don't know. And the rolls look really tasty.
Yeah, let's
मुझसे resist नहीं हो रहा है. So let's just dig in and try it. So let's have the roll first.
What's the name of this
Because
one? Barbecue?
chicken tikka barbecue roll. I am so excited for this. It looks so spicy from inside. I don't know how it will taste now. So let's just have a taste test.
French fries.
Let's taste their amazing chicken tikka roll. Just look at this. This looks so tempting.
How it is? Nice?
It's so tasty. I'm not exaggerating. Actually, it's amazing. Now Imran is gonna do the review for it. But मैं यहाँ पे फिर से आने वाली हूँ. कभी-कभी ना by fluke कोई चीज़ होती है ना वो अच्छी होती है.
Yeah.
So just go with the flow. Allah is with you. इसके fries भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. There is some kind of peri peri masala thing inside.
Let me give
Not inside, on top of
your
it.
review for this one.
बहुत tasty है. I have never ever had a roll. First of all, I have never ever had a roll in Canada because it's like a purely Delhi roll जैसा मिलता है ना.
If you remember, हम वहाँ गए थे दुबई last 2019 में. Then we have Al Barsha, that's Al Sultan.
हाँ वो ऐसा ही है ना.
Same.
मतलब यहाँ पे shawarmas and all that we have eaten a lot, but this type of roll is a purely Indian roll. That's why they have written from Delhi with love. So actually it's a Delhi roll. Whoever is missing a Delhi roll, just come here at Nawab's Legendary Barbecue.
Legend barbecue.
Sometimes whatever happens for good. So this has happened for good because I love this. और मुझे ऐसे लगता है next time I'll come for the pizza because I'm seeing everyone eating pizza on the tables, right? So next time. Oh my god guys, I am so full right now. हमें ऐसे लगा था कि हम different food junctions में जाएंगे, explore करेंगे, but I am full with wings and just the roll. It's a lot of food, but I don't know where we're gonna go next because my stomach hurts right now. But we're gonna walk, we're gonna explore, we're gonna shop, and let's see later on अगर desert के लिए कोई room बचा तो we'll go. Let's see. So the next stop is gonna be Apna Farm. It's kind of a biggest grocery store, Pakistani / you get everything here. That's what people say. So we're gonna go inside and ऐसा बोलते हैं कि अगर कोई भी पाकिस्तानी की कोई भी चीज़, Indian चीज़, mostly Pakistani, not Indian, you wanna get it in Canada, just come here. So let's go inside and let's see what all varieties they have and what they have for specifically Eid, because in next, I think most probably 1 week it's Eid. So without further getting more chilled, let's go inside. Imran, what is this?
खरबूजा.
पाकिस्तान का खरबूजा इतना छोटा क्यों होता है? Oh God, I have never seen a खरबूजा as tiny as this.
And first time I'm seeing this.
And पाकिस्तान का है ये, right?
Yeah.
Why? ये तो एप्पल जैसा लग रहा है. And this is पाकिस्तान का खरबूजा.
Yeah.
Oh God, why there are so many weird things in Earth?
Chiku is same, see?
चीकू तो ऐसा ही होता है. So here I think majority of the things are Pakistani. Just look at the date varieties. कितने ज़्यादा options हैं इमरान dates के यहाँ पे. Just let's have a closer look. Oh God, इमरान इनके पास date का paste भी है. Date के paste को क्या करता होगा कोई? Cakes के लिए?
I don't know.
या एक स्पून खाओ और सीड की टेंशन ही नहीं है. Oh God, I have first time seen a
See, they have this
dates.
thing as well.
What is that? Date powder?
I don't know what.
Date powder का क्या? Like powder of the seed?
No.
Then?
Powder of dates. Out with sugar and dates. With dates. I don't know.
Oh God. They have every form of date.
No idea.
पर मुझे ये वाले dates थोड़े अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं.
This
वो
one, yeah.
dry होते हैं, right?
This is the kind of good.
Yeah, this is the Majdool date. And this one is good too. Let's have a look for this. Oh yeah, ये वाले खजूर तो मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं.
We already
But
have it.
why is it expensive?
Because that's 5 kg pack, right?
5 kg for $76.
That's
Little expensive. Oh, these ones मुझे ऐसे वाले soft वाले black अच्छे लगते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. Another variety.
But this is dry.
या ये नहीं, मुझे इस कलर के नहीं अच्छे लगते, मुझे थोड़े डार्क वाले अच्छे लगते हैं. And another varieties, so much options for dates. Can you guys imagine? Here I am flued with the masalas, the collection of masalas. Like kuch bhi masala you want, achari gosht, Mughlai korma, if you are a Halim lover. यहाँ पे इतने ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस हैं ना, स्पेशल टिक्का, लाइक just name a masala and you get it in the store. I'll show you from the back camera. I don't know, मैं इतनी ज़्यादा varieties तो बना नहीं पाती नहीं, मुझे आती नहीं है, to be very honest. But if a person is like, you know, well in cooking and loves to cook all these things, again, this place is for you. Let me show you from the back camera for the masala section. This is their whole masala section. मतलब जितने भी पाकिस्तान में मसाले भी नहीं मिलेंगे ना, उतने आपको कनाडा में मिल रहे हैं. And this is the whole belt of masalas. And from here also you get, here it's the powder form, and here you get the like this. You're getting a hibiscus. What is this? Hibiscus तो flower होता है. इमरान, hibiscus कैसे spice होगा? It's a flower.
No idea.
I don't know.
No idea.
Very strange things here. Very strange things. But yeah, the people who know masalas, it's the right place for them. So now finally guys, after eating out, I'm gonna go there because मैंने पहले ही कहा था कि मेरे को इस शॉप पे नज़र पड़ी जब मैं बिल्कुल ही प्लाजा में एंटर करी थी. It's called as the Bunaza Satrangi. So we're gonna go inside. I have already seen a lot of suits in the display and I'm so excited because Canada में you don't get to see suits. So I'm going inside and it's Eid coming, so बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लग रही है. Let's go inside and see you inside. Oh my god guys, just look at the suit collection. It's so good. Proper Pakistani suits. Oh my god, just look at this black one. Imran, just look at this one. It's looking like a proper Pakistani suit. And ये जो इसकी ये lace है ना, oh god, this is so nice Imran. And can you check what's the price? It comes with a dupatta also, and the price for it is $144. Not bad, right?
Nice.
I like this one. Oh god, they have such a great collection. Oh wow, this is good too. I love the sleeves, है ना? हर किसी के sleeves इतने अच्छे हैं ना? Like this is very trending in Pakistan right now, these kind of sleeves. So amazing. They have cotton collection as well, which is kind of good. And Imran, मुझे लगता है the best part is everything is stitched, right? They have kids collection also. No, they are not semi-stitched. It's completely stitched they are. And look at this red one.
शादी
थोड़ा
भी है.
ज़्यादा लगता है, हाँ थोड़ा शादी टाइप्स लग रहा है. Where is Imran? Let me search Imran first. Oh, Imran is in the gents section. Imran, what are you doing? ये बहुत छोटा है इमरान, जिसके लिए भी है बहुत छोटा है. They have gents collection भी है इनके पास ना.
ये तो पापड़ टाइप होगी बोले.
Colors लेकिन कुछ अजीब नहीं है.
ये देखो see this one.
Imran, this is very short on you. It's very short. No. हाँ. यहाँ से देखते हैं, यहाँ से जेंट्स की more varieties. They have a yeah. This is the good collection.
कलर सी कलर
But इनका कलर ही ऐसा है ना.
see blue and dark green.
Yeah, and they have perfumes also. I think these are all the ouds, right?
Vanilla velvet.
So they have everything. ईद की पूरी collection है. You get a ladies suit here, get a men's there, and get the perfumes here. ये भी अच्छा लग रहा है ना?
So finally guys, now it's my turn. So finally Fiba ने मुझे मौका दिया just to get some sweets and all. So let's see. Come along with me. Fiba, now it's my turn, right? Come, let's go.
और तो जलेबी बनाने में सबसे बेस्ट पता है यहाँ की जलेबी में बात क्या है, आपकी जलेबी बहुत क्रिस्पी एंड पतली होती है. अदरवाइज जितनी भी बाकी जलेबी है ना वो बहुत मोटी होती है. दैट्स द रीज़न हम यहाँ पे बैक टू बैक आते हैं. मतलब आप भी पाकिस्तान से हो? हम भी दिल्ली से हैं. रोहिणी.
रोहिणी में लक्ष्मी नगर.
लक्ष्मी नगर. मैं आपको वीडियो में ले सकती हूँ? अंकल दिल्ली से है और लक्ष्मी नगर से. ओह दैट्स नाइस. आपकी जो जलेबी है अंकल की, ये वाली जलेबी is सबसे फेमस, एंड गाजर का हलवा एज वेल. अंकल हमने आज इस बार आपका गाजर का हलवा लिया है. ठीक है, थैंक यू, बाय बाय. सो जस्ट लुक एट इमरान. इट्स हेवन फॉर इमरान राइट नाउ एंड ही इज सो कंफ्यूज्ड बिकॉज इमरान को गाजर का हलवा फाइनल. इमरान लव्स स्वीट्स एंड सारी जितनी yeah he's trying to cut it but he's not able to do it. But अब गाजर का हलवा फाइनल हो चुका है. Okay, so we're gonna go with the gajar ka. So guys, finally we are done with the kind of mini tour for Ridgeway Plaza, but this time it got successful. Otherwise last time आपको पता ही है हम लोग ठंड के मारे भाग चुके थे.
But Fiba, I think this place is never ending.
Yeah, because problem
There's
is
so many restaurants.
they have so many restaurants, so many eatery options, so many different cuisines, so many different street food options. Like street food पे नहीं है, but kind of like you know restaurants and fast food changes, cafes and everything. And you need a good time to come here. हम लोग थोड़ा सा edge पे थे and it was iftari. Most of the restaurants were closed, but yeah, definitely the next time
And
we
they have
come here.
reservations, right?
Yeah, the next time we come here, we
You
are
have to have
definitely
reservations.
come for reservations. Otherwise, it's very packed. It's fully packed. So Imran got his favorite gajar ka halwa from the
From our uncle, right?
uncle. तो दिल्ली से ही निकले. मुझे लगा पाकिस्तान से होंगे, but he was from Lakshmi Nagar. And yeah,
So
now
let's have
let
review.
Imran rate the gajar ka halwa because I don't like it.
Like MasterChef, right? They just smell it.
वो क्यों ऐसे smell करते हैं इमरान?
I don't know why.
They smell and they have it. I'll keep the camera here. So let Imran just review it. How is it?
9 out of 10, I guess.
How? 1 marks क्यों कट किया?
I don't know because of क्या बोलूँ उसको, like अब तो मार्क नहीं है, like 9 is good for me.
But still 9 is better, right?
It's nice.
And you like it a lot? I don't know. मुझे गाजर
You can try.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं चाहिए इमरान.
Just try a little bit.
Let's just have the गाजर का हलवा. You can see. अच्छा, मतलब ठीक लग रहा है. गाजर का हलवा ऐसे ही दिखता है.
It's nice, Fiba. इतना भी वो
It's
नहीं like.
too sugary.
हाँ, sugar तो है ही ना.
Oh God.
देखिए नहीं जलेबी. Full of sugar है. Sugar and oil.
बट ये बहुत शुगरी है. और ऑब्वियसली इट्स गाजर का हलवा, शुगर तो होगा ही तभी टेस्ट होगा. So let Imran enjoy the gajar ka halwa and we're gonna see you in the next vlog. Bye for now. I hope you like this video. We're gonna make more of the food chains kind of video in the next coming vlogs because it's gonna be summer in Canada. This spring. Why am I fumbling?
I don't know.
मैं नहीं cut करूँगी. You know, it's natural. So let's be natural and raw with the vlogs. We're gonna explore more food vlogs. You're gonna explore them. We're gonna travel more for these food things because it's already spring in Canada and summer is on the way. So bye for now. Good night. Imran is already focused.
No, I will
His
drive
eyes are
and-
like
no,
here.
I will be driving and I
Not
will be
here.
having
Here,
gajar ka halwa.
eyes are on the gajar ka halwa. So bye for now. See you. I hope you like this vlog. If you do, please like and share and subscribe to the channel. Bye.
Bye, guys.